yung putik yun lang yung galing. Yung putik na ginagamit, hindi.
Okay, good afternoon and welcome po sa Pottery. I'm Ardeth. I'm one among the workers here. Ang workshop na ito ay nag-start ng year 2000 by Archie Stapleton. Anak po siya ng American missionary na dumating dito ng 1960s. Nakita niya ang potential ng ating local clay at local soil for pottery production. Kaya nang pumunta siya ng States, nag-aral siya ng pottery, minaster niya yun. Then bumalik siya dito ng year 2000 to teach the Sagada people as an alternative livelihood. Kung sinasabi natin may potential ang ating local materials, hindi po ibig sabihin niya na pwede kang kumuha kahit saan gusto and then dali mo dito, pwede na siyang maging pot. Around Sagada, mag-scout muna kami ng pagkukuhanan ng clay na hindi kami nakakasira sa environment at walang magagalit sa amin. Kung may nakita po kayong maganda, we haul the clay, bring them here, soak them in water for a few weeks, sasalain namin ng 2 beses hanggang makuha namin ng consistency of fineness, which is like this. Now, after sieving 2 times, it's very watery. We have to drip dry for 3 to 4 months. We age it for at least 3 weeks before we can use it. May 3 klase po ang pottery. May earthenware, stoneware, at porcelain. Earthenware sa low-fired. Yan po yung ginagawa nila sa vegan, yung mga paso, yung mga lutuan po. Ang stoneware at porcelain, they're both high-fired. We specialize on stoneware. Maru-reach namin ang temperature na 2,350 degrees Fahrenheit. Now, I'm going to show you the making of a pot with a demo fee of 200 at kung may gustong mag-try, 100 per head. Would that be okay? Okay. Teka lang. Walang apoy
Demo na lang. Ang nakapoy yung
Hanggang demo na lang.
Nakapoy yan.
Yes. Ano ko lang yan? Palitan ko ng gas.